Future fire trucks. Fire trucks have been predominantly some shade of red in color with flashing lights, bells, whistles, and sirens. At face value, it's arguable that fire trucks haven't changed. However, as most member companies of Fire Apparatus Manufacturers Association can attest, these vehicles have indeed advanced technologically because of innovations, changes in standards such as National Fire Protection Association 1901 Standard for Automotive Fire Apparatus, or government regulations. But has anyone thought about what a fire truck might look like or be able to do in the future? Apollo Robot. Avidrone, a leader in next-generation general-purpose robots designed to change the way we live and work, today unveiled Apollo, the world's most capable humanoid robot. Designed to transform the industrial workforce and beyond in service of improving the human experience, Apollo is the first commercial humanoid robot that was designed for friendly interaction, mass manufacturability, performance, and safety. As labor challenges and employment trends continue to impact our economy, we need to fundamentally change the way we think about work, particularly in the warehouse and the supply chain. Orbital Reef. The Orbital Reef station, led by principal partners Sierra Space Corporation and Blue Origin, will open the next chapter of human space exploration and development by facilitating the growth of a vibrant ecosystem and business model for the future. Vision VTOL. A vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) aircraft is a vehicle that can depart, hover, and land vertically. This includes fixed-wing aircrafts with the ability to take off and touch down vertically, as well as helicopters or other aircraft with powered rotors. VTOL aircraft's ability to take off and land vertically as well as hover, fly slowly and land in small spaces distinguishes it from the conventional aircraft. Also, the most recent VTOL aircrafts in development use electric motors or batteries instead of fuel, designating them electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircrafts. Avidrone. Avidrone Aerospace manufactures the world's only commercialized tandem rotor, electric-powered, fully automated helicopter UAV system. Specializing in fully automated, heavy payload drones for cargo delivery, medical resupply, and airborne sensors, the Avidrone 210TL tandem rotor lifts payloads and performs cargo deliveries up to 35 pounds, 16 kilograms. The acoustically quiet VTOL aircraft is capable of complete beyond visual line of sight (BVLOS) operations without a human pilot required. Wingcopter 198 Delivery Drone. The drone delivery ecosystem has just hit a new milestone. We now have an all-weather drone that can deliver up to 3 packages to multiple locations during one flight. The drone is an all-electric, vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) fixed-wing drone that has been designed from the ground up to carry up to 3 different payloads. Providing flexibility in the size and shape of the packages, this new delivery system addresses the key issue of the cost of parcel delivery for commercial delivery drones.